Hello, uwe mwega mwaka mweru. By the way, the whole of this month I'm going to say uwe mwega mwaka mweru. So welcome to 2024. Welcome to Kikuyu lessons with Wanjiru. My name is Wanjiru. Today I am going to teach you a very simple lesson, which is the body parts. We're just going to learn the body parts in Kikuyu today, and then we'll play a game at the end of this game. Now, to our new students, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share with your friends who are looking for Kikuyu lessons. You can also reach me through this email address if you want to learn the language. I'll also write it in the description bar, and let's go ahead and start our video. So I am going to start with the head. First, what is on the head? The hair. Hair in Kikuyu, we call it juere. Juere. If it is a single hair, you know that aka string, that aka small hair, we can't call it aroswere, roswere. But it does not mean that you cannot call that ka single one juere. You can still call it juere. So this is juere. So my hair will be juere yakwa. Some people may say juere siakwa. Your hair juere yaku or siaku. Her hair or his hair will be juere yake or juere siake. Number 2, we have now the head. The head, we call it mutwe. Mutwe. If we have many heads, we say metwe. Metwe ya bori. Mutwe wa bori. We are going to say mutwe wakwa when it's my head, mutwe waku when it's your head, and mutwe wake when it's his or her head. So we know head is mutwe. We know heads are metwe. We have the eyes. One eye is called rido. 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 When there are many, we say maido. Maido. Rido yakwa. Maido makwa. Maido makwa. Maido makwa ne manene. My eyes are big. Manene means big. Your eyes will be maido maku. Maido maku. His eyes will be maido make. Maido make. Next, we have the eyebrows will be called butu. Whether the eyelashes or eyebrows will always be called butu. So we say butu sia maido. So butu siakwa, butu siaku, butu siake. Butu siakwa, butu siaku, butu siake. And next we have the nose. The nose, we call it inyoro. Inyoro when it's one. When there are many, ma nioro. Ma nioro. Inyoro manioro. Inyoro riakwa. Inyoro riaku. Inyoro riake. Inyoro riakwa. Inyoro riaku. Inyoro riake. So next we have the ears. One ear is called woto. Woto. And when they are many, we call them mato. Mato. Woto wakwa. Woto wakwa. Mato makwa. Mato makwa. If I said woto wakwa, how do we say your ear? Woto waku, correct. What about his ear? Woto wake. Next, we have the mouth. Mouth, we say kanwa. Kanwa. Kanwa when it's one. When we are talking about people's mouths, we'll say tonua. 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 Kanwa gakwa. Kanwa gakwa. I don't have 2 mouths, so I'm going to say 1 mouth. Kanwa gakwa. And yours, please fill that as well as his or hers. We call cheeks. One cheek is ikai. Ikai. Both cheeks, we will call them makai. Makai. Ikai. Makai. Ikai. Makai. Okay? Ikai riakwa. Makai makwa. The lips, we call them miromo. Miromo or iromo. Iromo. Okay? One will be keromo. Keromo. One lip will be keromo. 2 lips will be iromo. Iromo. Keromo giakwa. Iromo siakwa. Iromo siakwa. Okay? Now the teeth. One tooth is called igego. Igego. And the teeth are called magego. 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 Igego riakwa. Igego riakwa, my tooth. Magego. Magego makwa, my teeth. So you can say nenya dete magego makwa. Nenya dete magego makwa. I love my teeth, which is true. Next, we go to the neck. Neck is gigo. Gigo. Gigo yakwa. Gigo yakwa. Gigo yakwa ne daihu. My neck is long. Gigo yakwa ne daihu. Next, we have the shoulders. One shoulder is called keade. Keade. One. Keade. 2 or many will be siade. Siade. Keade. Siade. Keade. Siade. Keade giakwa. Siade siakwa. Next we have the chest. The chest is called yedori. Yedori. If it's 1, yedori giakwa, my chest. If there are many, we say idori. 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 Next we go to the armpits. By the armpits, we call them jegeke. 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 They don't have a plural. Tickling someone on the armpits or under the armpit, it's called kwegeka. Kwegeka. Kwegeka comes from now the jegeke. Kwegeka, jegeke. We have the arms. The arms. This one is woko, or the hand. Woko. Moko. Woko, wakwa. Moko, makwa. Woko, wakwa. Moko, makwa. These ones, I talked about them. This is rohe. Rohe, the palm. Rohe. And these palms are mahe. Mahe. Rohe, mahe. Rohe, mahe. So I say hora, rohe or hora, mahe, which is the same thing. So next we have the fingers. One of them is called kiara. Kiara. When there are many, we can say siara. Siara. Kiara. Siara. Kiara kia guoko because it's 1. Siara sia moko. Siara sia moko. And by the way, because moko we say that hands, like fingers of the hands. And by the way, we can also say tuara. Kara, tuara. Kara, tuara. Well, I forgot one part that is very, very important. This is called kereru. Chin. Kereru. Kereru yakwa, my chin. Kireru giakwa. Ireru will be the plural. Now, the beards are usually called deru. 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 Deru siake. Deru siake. Next, we have the back. The back is called mugogo. 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 When there are many, megogo. Megogo. Mugogo wakwa ne uratura. Mugogo wakwa ne uratura. My back is in pain. Another part is this one. This is called igokora. Igokora, elbow. Igokora or kegokora. Kegokora. Kegokora giakwa. Igokora riakwa. Next, we move to the stomach. The stomach is called da. Da. Da yakwa, my stomach. Da yakwa ne iratura. My stomach is in pain. Da yakwa. Next, we go to the waist. Waist is called johero. Johero. Why? Johero comes from the word koha, or to tie. So I guess because the Agikoyo used to tie everything or around the waist, like the medurus. You know meduru? Meduru is like a sort of a skirt. So the meduru, the lesos and stuff. So I think that part was called the part where you tie. So it's called johero. Then we go to the thighs. One thigh is quiero. Quiero. The thighs will be ciero. Ciero. So if you go to a restaurant, you can always say direda quiero kia goko. When you want to say I want a chicken thigh. Direda quiero kia goko. Next, we have the knee. One knee is called iru. Iru. Both knees, we'll call them maru. Iru riakwa, maru makwa. Then the part between the knee and the ankles, I think they're called calves. Calves. The part where if someone hits you, it's very, very painful. We call that part modirimo. Modirimo. From the word modirima. Because when you're applying oil on your skin, we say dirima. You're dirimaring. Modirima. So I think that part is called modirimo from the modirima. And if you know any other word for this part, it's okay to write it in the comment section. Then we have the ankles. One of them will be called gadongwa. From where I come from, we call it gadongwa. Gadongwa. And when there are two and we have four, we call them todonwa. Todonwa. Did I say gadonwa or gadongwa? I think some people may say gadongwa and others may say gadonwa because I am naturally saying those two words, but I'll go with gadongwa. Then we have the heel. The heel is called gatede or getede if it's a big word. Getede or gatede. Gatede because it's small. Getede if it's big. The other part, the whole part or the under part, we'll call it ikinya. Ikinya, which also means a step. Ikinya. Ikinya. Then we have the toes, which we'll also call them siara sia maguru. Siara sia maguru. So fingers and toes will always be siara or twara. So you differentiate, are they of the hand or are they of the legs? The leg in general will be called koguru. One leg, koguru. When there are two, maguru. And imagine that is the end of the body parts. I know there are so many, but I hope you enjoy it. Now we are going to play a game. I'm just going to say touch your. So touch is hutia. When I say hutia, I mean touch. Are you ready? Okay. Hutia gigo. Hutia kegokora. Hutia iru. Hutia da. Hutia mato. I hope you're really doing it. Hutia gedori. Please let me know how many you got, and I appreciate you for playing the game with me and also for watching this video. Don't forget to share it, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Tigwa wega.